So according to the instructions, I need to pretty much crack these right here, the end clips. They're just plastic pieces. Once that cracks, the little metal rod inside just slides out pretty easy. I did it on the other side. It was a little bit harder, but here we go again. Let's see if it works. This side, to make sure it's easy. So it looks like I don't have to do nothing because it looks like it's already coming out. The metal piece. Let's see if I can just grab it real quick. Boom. It's the first piece. Now the second one. There you go. There's a little metal rod. Now we need to pop this foil out.
What up?
Try to sell this one.
When'd you get this one?
About 2 weeks ago.
What, just a second?
I'm gonna try to flip it, but even if I don't flip it, I'm gonna keep it for a while. Oh no, my car's on my DS. Yeah. And then you do the same thing with this one. Light it up. This is the fastest way. You don't have to. The instructions recommend vice grips, but you can just do a drill bit. That seems easier for me. Almost there. See, you can see a little bit of the metal. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but there's a little bit of the metal. That's good enough. Now to the other side. Same thing. So now we could do the lock on it both sides. And this should work this time. Hold that as tight as possible. Just twist. I'm gonna dog get it. There. So that's one side. And the other side, just slowly pull it out. There, that's a metal piece. You don't need this ever again, so you can actually damage them and throw it away. And the instructions, it even says to throw it away. So let me get the Daystar one and I'll show you guys the difference. So this is the difference. This is the old one that has been on here probably forever. So this is the difference. When I'm driving on the freeway, I'm going about 70, 80, or I was gonna say 60, 70. And it's fluttering like crazy. I feel like it's gonna pop open, but I can literally twist it and keep twisting it. So it has a lot of play, a lot of stretch. And then the Daystar one, slightly shorter by almost nothing, but barely, right? Because it hasn't stretched out over time. The Daystar one, I tried doing the same thing, and that's as far as I can get it. So not even a quarter twist versus 3 twists on the old one. Strongly recommend this. I bought this off of eBay for like, I think 20 bucks, 25 bucks. So in the kit, it actually comes with these metal ones. Just a regular screwdriver will do. Metal screwed both sides. Just replace it, insert it in the spot that it used to be in. So it's kind of hard to put it in there. And kind of got to get it at an angle. Yeah.
Edit my voice. Sorry.
Nah, you're gonna be in there now, bro.
Oh,
There. This one is cake because there's nothing in there. Now let's just screw in. And right off the dash, it's tight. Super tight. So the first set was going on easy, but it's way better. Hopefully that helps some of you guys. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe, like, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.